Wait, Kylo. Wait, hi, fish. Okay. We're gonna be taking apart an RC car, a McLaren. This is 27 MHZ. This thing is feeling pretty damn fast. The controller broke. And I'm gonna have fun taking this apart. Okay, let's start. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Probably was this. Yes. So. Oh yeah. This is a battery case. See, this is. I took all the batteries out, of course. Okay, so whatever. Like and subscribe, please. You're like a worker in here, like straight up. Hold this damn car. Here's my truck. Okay, so you just need this. Oh god. It's 2 screws to a fraction 2, 3, 4. I'm putting this on ground in a second. Sorry. My lap was holding this card, so it's a lot easier. Not my nipple. Okay, so all this screws out, so this should come right. Oh, what was this? Oh, is it good? That's easy. Not sure which pieces come off. Maybe only the red. I wish I could. It popped off. Wait. Here's the body. The thing. This is where the okay, this is the thing. Yeah, the remote has one. This is what connected. So where is it? Ouch! We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 screws. So I'm gonna have fun. I'm gonna dude, that took me forever. Like it looked like it only took me 5 minutes. I'm trying to lift all up.